Avi from Red Tie Mortgages. Hope everyone is doing fine. Today we are going to talk about fact find. What is fact find? So fact find, in a very simple terms, is the collection of information that's reliable and refined from the client. So it can be collected through questionnaires, interview, or some other method. So it is collected to verify your ID, your personal and professional lifestyle. So why it is collected, first of all? So that's the main reason why. So it is collected for three purposes. First, to find out your objectives and goals. So what is objective? Objective is what are you going to do with it? Why are you taking financial advice or assistance? Are you going to buy an owner-occupied house or investment property? So this is your objective. And what is a goal? So what you want to do with it? What you want to do with it in 5 or 10 years? What is your goal? Do you want to buy another property, or you want to get rid of the mortgage on this property? And secondly, it has to analyze your borrowing capacity. It is used to analyze your borrowing, how much you can borrow. And that can only be done if we have the right information about your income, assets, and liabilities. Simple. And thirdly, as the broker, every broker has the obligation to protect your lifestyle, your family, your assets. So once this is done, so what is collected? The first thing fact find is going to collect is your name, address, phone number, email, your date of birth, license, are you married, marital status, divorced, de facto. So that's the first, basic information about you. Then comes your residential, where you're living for the last 3 years. So we need at least 3 years of your residential status. All right. So if you're living in the same place for 3 years, beautiful. But if you change your addresses in 3 years, we need to know how much time you have spent in that property. All right. So once that's done, so next column is, or next section is, your employment. Again, we need 3 years of your employment. If you're working in the same place for 3 years, that's all we need. And address of the employer, your position in the company, how long you've been working there, all right, email and phone number, all that stuff. Very important, have your email and phone numbers correct and clear. Next section is income. So income can be your salary, rental income if you have investment property, government payments like Centrelink, all right, and any other income like shares, or if you've invested somewhere. So that's your income. Now we are going to move on to most important thing, that is assets and liabilities. What is asset? Asset is something that you can sell off and get a cash. It has a cash value. Your vehicle, your savings, your superannuation, your valuables, your jewelry, your home contents. This is all assets. Anything that you can sell and then cash for it. And then your liabilities, like mortgage is a liability. Credit card, one of the biggest liabilities on Australians right now. Living expenses is your liability. Personal loan is your liability. Any kind of loan is your liability. Tax is your liability. Your debt is your liability. So you have to make sure you get these correct. So whatever information you're going to provide on the fact find needs to be true to your knowledge. It doesn't have to be precise, but true to your knowledge. You're declaring something. So it's like a declaration document that you're declaring this, that this is my income, this is my living expenses, this is my credit cards. At no point you should give any misleading information on the fact find. So moving on. So we got the assets and we got the liabilities. Next is, what if you are self-employed? So we'll need business name, ABN, how long the business been operating, the address of the business, if it's what kind of business is it? Is it sole trading? Is it company, or it's a partnership? Nature of the business and the website, if it's there. Apart from that, latest financials and the last year financials, the sales, the gross profit, net profit, director salaries, your ad backs, all that stuff. So that's from your business perspective. So this is a fact find. It's a general fact find. Some fact finds are going to be very more detailed. So sometimes they're going to ask if you have will. Sometimes they're going to ask you, do you have any kind of insurance? Because you're going to buy an asset, you need to protect it. You don't want to have any extra burden on your family if something goes wrong. The more information the broker has about you, it's better. Try to align with the broker. Communicate with the broker. Fact find can be filled on the interview day, or it can be sent to you and you can fill it in your own time. But whatever way you're filling it, make sure it's true. It's true to your knowledge. Do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. We absolutely love feedback. If you have any questions or you would like to give us a feedback, please do it in the comment section. Till then, be happy and financially fit.